What happens to your body when you abstain from sex? Although abstinence is good, but when you abstain for a long time, it comes with some effects. So listen attentively and get some of the effects that comes with that. Number one is vaginal dryness and painful intercourse. When you abstain for a long time, the vagina may temporarily stop producing lubricants. That is the fluid that keeps the vagina wet. But when you abstain from sexual intercourse for a long time, the vagina will stop producing that fluid, thereby making the vagina to be dry, and it makes sex very painful. At times, this can even lead to itching or sore around the vagina. Number two is decreased libido. Your sexual urge will decrease. Remember, regular sexual activity can help to maintain a healthy libido. But once you have abstained for a long time, it will make your sexual urge to reduce. Especially if you are the type that enjoys regular sexual intercourse, at a point you just stop. For you to gain that sexual urge again, it will take you a longer time. So abstinence from sex can reduce your sexual urge. The third point is weakened pelvic floor muscles. The muscles around your pelvic area, that's your waist. Regular sexual activity helps to tone and strengthen the pelvic floor muscles. But once you abstain from sexual intercourse, it will weaken those pelvic floor muscles, thereby increasing your risk of urinary incontinence. If you are going around, your urine will be dripping. You don't have control of your bladder again. Then pelvic organ prolapse, like the uterus. Since the muscles around that area are weak, the uterus can protrude into the vaginal canal, and it also makes sexual intercourse uncomfortable. So abstinence can weaken your pelvic floor muscles. Then erectile dysfunction, inability of the penis to maintain an erection. The penis refuses to stand. Long period without sexual activity can increase the risk of developing erectile dysfunction. The lack of regular sexual stimulation can affect the blood flow to the penis and the ability to achieve and maintain an erection. Then sexual frustration. Yes, if you are the type that enjoys regular sexual intercourse, at a point you stop having that, it can lead to frustration and stress. You'll be frustrated, and it can even lead to lack of concentration, mood swing, and poor sleep. So sexual frustration is real when it comes to abstinence. The next point is emotional and relationship challenges. In some relationships, once sexual intimacy is not involved, it might lead to conflict. Even at times, the relationship will end because some people value that sexual intimacy than any other thing. Some people might even go far telling you that once sexual relationship is involved, it brings them close. But once it is not involved, one party might not be happy, thereby leading to the end of the relationship. Then memory, in terms of recalling things. According to some studies, people who have sex often are better at recalling memories. There are signs that sex can help your brain grow neurons, that is nerves, and work better in general. If you are between the age of 50 and 89, it improves your brain cells, thereby making it easier for you to recall things. That means that if you are not having regular sex, it can decrease your ability to recall things. The next point is prostate health. That's for the men. Regular sexual activity can make your prostate healthy, and frequent ejaculation reduces the risk of prostate cancer. According to some studies, ejaculating 20 times in a month can reduce your risk of having prostate cancer. That means that if you abstain for a long time, it will not be healthy for your prostate. It can increase your risk of prostate cancer. Then the immune system. That is the system that helps in fighting against infection. Sexual activity can boost your immune system by increasing the production of antibodies in the system. Some studies also say that people that are involved in frequent sexual intercourse at least 3 times in a month have a reduced incidence of disease compared to those that have sex less frequent. That means that if you're having sex less than 3 times in a month, there's a high incidence of having some diseases. The last but not the least is your cardiovascular system, that is the heart. Sex is a form of exercise. It helps to strengthen your heart, lower your blood pressure, reduce stress, and even improve sleep. However, if you abstain for a long time, you are putting yourself at risk of developing some heart diseases like heart attack. In general, abstinence is good, but when you abstain for a long time, it's not really a good thing because it will come with some side effects. If you really enjoyed my video, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more health tips.